Hi, this is Justin with WE Greer. Today we're going to be going over the operation of our new Indo Generation 5 chemical dispenser. So each chemical dispenser kit is going to come with 3 parts. You've got your yellow hose to connect to water, a quick connect valve to detach and attach to the chemical dispenser, and the portable dispenser itself. This dispenser dispenses at 2.2 gallons per minute. So it's for both bucket and bottle fill. To attach to the chemical, we simply screw it on until it's snug and it's ready to go. The dispenser has a locking mechanism to be used for filling buckets and auto scrubbers. And since the dilution tips are inside each bottle, the same dispenser can be used on different chemicals, and we never have to worry about the accuracy or tips getting clogged, since every new bottle comes with a fresh tip. Okay, now that we have our Indo Generation 5 dispenser connected to the chemical, we're ready to use. First things first, we want to make sure we have the proper PPE on, so that's safety goggles and some gloves. Now to operate it, it's very simple. All we do is pull in the trigger and the chemical dispenses. The tips are inside the bottle, like we said, so you don't have to worry about dilution control. It's all pre-done from the factory. So if we're using it in mop buckets or auto scrubbers, there's a locking feature so that we don't have to stand and hold the trigger. And for spray bottles, you just want to insert the tube into the bottle and press and hold. Once you're done using the dispenser, we want to disconnect it from the water and turn it off to make sure there's not any leakage, and it's ready to be put back on the shelf until it's used for the next time.